Hey guys, Mr. Haque here back with another video. Today we're going to be checking the engine oil. I'll be teaching you how to check the engine oil on any car. So you need a tissue, that's it. That's all you need.
That's all you need.
And your hands.
Oh,
okay.
And in some cases you might even need some actual oil as well, depending.
That's if you run out of oil, yeah. So
there's
there's your dipstick, that's called, wait, don't say it. You want to do this on a flat surface and when the engine is cold. So before you move anyway.
As you can see, it's boiling hot right now.
It's not though, is it? So what you want to do is pull it out. Clean it off first. Don't clean it like that. Yeah, clean it off now. So you want to pull it out, clean it off, push it back in.
You can hear it squeak.
Wipe off fully. That's all the oil come off.
Yeah. There you go. You can see, clean as fudge, but gotta be, gotta let you get monetized or else. You know how it is.
And pull it back up.
Give it a few seconds.
Dude, you can pull it back up straight away. It doesn't matter.
Oh.
Come on, don't touch with the tissue. There you go.
There you go.
So as you can see, we got plenty in there. We got between 3/4 there. I might fill a bit more in, maybe 1 more litre. But as you can see, you don't really need to put any in. And
So,
the colour is golden brown.
Explain
so
to us, how do you know when it's low and when it's high?
When it's low, maximum is there, where it stops the pattern. Minimum is there. So if you have below minimum, quickly put engine oil in. This one takes 5W30, so figure out which one you have. It's in the manual or online. Just check it out. And yeah, your engine oil should be brown. If you put new on, then it should be yellow. If it's used for a while, it should be brown. And yeah, if it's gone fully black, that's when you need to definitely change it. So get it changed. Yeah, that's all right. That's how easy it is. And you just shove it back in. If you need to fill up, just undo this and then put it in there. Now leave it. There's pressure on there. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye. Go check out Labby's channel. It's not uploaded, but yeah.